Semi-automatic only, please. Don't be a dick. Don't shoot people in the face. You know, if they're 10 feet from you and you got a pistol or whatever and you tap them in the leg or here, whatever, but, you know, or bang them. Knife kills or silent kills, same as always. Have fun. That's mainly it. So this is the way it's going to go. I'm going to have you all close your eyes. Once you have done so, you're all going to have your fists in a big circle. I'm going to call for one person who's going to be the sheriff. I will touch them. They will know that they are the sheriff. The sheriff's job is that anyone who dies, he may walk up to them, or she, and ask them, are you a terrorist? And they must answer, yes, I am a terrorist, or no, I am a civilian. They have to. Do not try to like muddle it or whatever. That is and the sheriff is the only one who can ask this question. So don't be like, oh yeah, I am the sheriff. Don't be doing that. Now, the problem with the sheriff is as soon as you do that, the terrorists will know who you are. So they may try to take you out without anyone seeing it, and then they have no one to ask who's who anymore, and then the befuddlement begins. After I pick the sheriff, I will then tell people that I will be picking the terrorists. I will choose 3 to 5 individuals to be the terrorists. I will touch you, you will know. I will then tell you to open your eyes and look around and ensure that you ID who the terrorists are. So that way you can work together as a team. Yes.
Do 4 to 6.
4 to 6?
Yeah, we have a lot more people.
Okay, so 4 to 6 terrorists. I will tap. You will know. You will get to open your eyes and look and identify your team. I will tell you to close your eyes, and then I will say game start, and you all are live at that point in time. So you can draw your pistol, walk away, claim you're a civilian, however you want to do it. And the way it works is either all the terrorists are eradicated or all the civilians are eradicated. That is how it goes. So whoever's remaining wins. So anybody unclear with the rules?
Any questions?
A note of etiquette: generally don't just shoot people for no reason. If you think they're a terrorist, go for it. But like,
you'll probably get shot back.
Yep. If you feel like it's taking really slow, sheriff, take command of your town and just start acing people. Make them play Simon Says or something. That's what happened last time.
Hey, once all the terrorists are dead, do we want them to
Yes, if all the terrorists are dead, the ref will note and keep track of how many terrorists are dead, and we'll say, you know, counter-terrorists win or civilians win versus terrorists. I will know who the 4 terrorists are.
1 life, 4 to 6.
Yep, 1 life. That's it.
It goes quick.
It goes real quick once the explosion starts happening and people start getting distrustful. You can just hang out with me. I'm not going to have my hands on my gun or anything, so please don't shoot me.
Shoot it.
At least in the chest. I have the Tavor. It's a very unique gun. Please do not. Oh, you're going to take my grenades? Okay.
oh god.
Yes, they are. They're wonderful grenades. Don't break them like you did.
No,
yours.
no.
All right. Here we go, gentlemen. If there are no more questions, we will begin. So I need you. Put your right hand fist in a big circle.
Yeah. Isn't sheriff supposed to be publicly known?
No, the sheriff will be publicly known when they ask. Or they can just let people know, hey, I'm the sheriff. No one can lie about being the sheriff when asking. All right. Everybody's hands are in. Close your eyes, look away, please.
Or look down.
Or look down. The first person that I touch will be the sheriff. The first person that I will touch will be the sheriff. You will know who you are. All right, sheriff, you have been chosen. Please let go of my hand. All right, now, keeping your eyes closed, fists still in, I will be choosing the terrorists. I will be choosing the terrorists. If I touch you, you are a terrorist. If I touch you, you are a terrorist. Please open your eyes, terrorists, and wave at each other or whatever you want to do in order to know who your teammates are. All right, put your hands fist in, close your eyes. All right, game begins. I'm gonna hang out on my wall.
That's really it. Just starts like that.
I seriously don't get it. Like, are we supposed to start shooting?
Okay, so basically there's 4 to 6 terrorists. They're trying to kill everyone. And we got, if you're a civilian, you got to kill the terrorist.
Shooting people aren't people going to assume you're a terrorist?
Yes.
Well, yeah, but that's the point. But if you don't, I don't like this game.
It's fun.
I don't want to.
Okay, I'm a civilian.
Okay, cool.
I'm a townie.
Okay, cool.
Okay, you're a civilian? Okay, let's stick together then. I want to trust you guys. I don't know you guys. I want to trust you.
Well, I want to lie to you. I don't want to. Hey.
Right, just like watch your back.
Hey, Martin.
What are you guys?
I'm a lifelong friend, but what are you?
Friendly? Civilian?
Yes, town? It's sketchy.
Civilian.
High ground.
Oh, that would be.
Wait, so wait, people just shoot each other? I don't get it. Like Mexicans stand up.
Oh no, the sheriff has to go around and ask though. So who's asking?
No, the sheriff asks dead bodies.
Yeah.
Dead bodies?
Dead bodies.
So if I were to kill you, sheriff can come up to you and ask you if you're a terrorist or not.
Yeah, but if he shot you, I'd shoot him.
Yep.
And then if he shoots him,
Then I'd probably get shot. Yeah.
Is there a penalty if you shoot someone you think is a terrorist and they're not?
I think it's
no.
just Rip Town. You keep killing town members.
Yeah, it's basically if you think someone's a terrorist, you shoot them, and you don't announce it, you're probably gonna get shot back.
But I feel like when people start shooting each other, it's gonna.
Oh,
Fuck yeah, you got me.
Whoa, who was it?
Yep. All right. I'm going to pick the sheriff. Person I touch is going to be the sheriff. You are the sheriff. All right. Next are going to be the terrorists. The people I am touching are going to be the terrorists. Terrorists, you may open your eyes and look up. These are your teammates. All right, heads down.
Wait, who are the terrorists again?
And start.
right. It's like you really just back up and draw.
Hey, Luke. Okay, I'm down again, but I promise. You're not gonna pull my last group, are you? Or I got gatted off the bat by them?
1911s.
Yeah, other than your.
That's a sexy 1911. What kind is it?
So I don't know. I'm borrowing it because I didn't bring my backup today.
Oh,
Yeah.
he gave me the.
Yeah, you got a little bit on the neck.
That was earlier today.
Ah.
I got full auto all with the arm on my neck.
Ooh.
It was on the containers map.
It's going up.
Yeah, I know they are.
I don't know if I trust you. Not you. I'm cool with you.
I don't like it. There's so many people back here. Yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool.
Tell Amy downstairs. No, come up here. I don't trust anybody.
I don't trust you either.
I don't like how you're up there.
Yeah,
you can
for real.
shoot
You
all of
guys
us.
hop down.
Are you
Get down! Get down here! Actually, who's the detective? I never saw.
You don't. It's.
Yeah, we got two up there.
Yeah, we got.
Get down now.
I agree. That's right. You get out. Who's shooting?
If we agree, if someone goes in the tower, you shoot them.
Bang, bang.
Hey, sup, bruh?
Sup, bruh?
Here, bruh.
I'm scared. That's why, bruh.
Wait, is he dead?
Oh shit.
Are you dead?
I'm going away from you, sketchy.
Yeah.
Are you dead?
Who was it? Yeah, he's dead. Who was it? Who was it?
I know you did it. Hey, if you're dead, I told this guy.
Bang, bang. You guys are both dead. Down.
Sorry.
That's so much. Oh, shit, I'm going back over there.
Yeah, you gotta go middle. Wait, what?
He was tearing.
Oh.
It's all good. I think I would hold that one for a second.
I thought you thought it was a building. TTT. Head in the middle now. That's where the dead bodies are currently. I think everyone's over on that half. I don't know. They died.
All right. Heads down, fists up. All right. Not like that. All right. I am going to pick the sheriff. I am now going to pick the sheriff. All right. I have picked the sheriff. Now I will pick the terrorists. If I touch you, you will be a terrorist. If I touch you, you will be a terrorist. Terrorists, lift up your eyes. Look at your comrades. All right, close your eyes. Fists back up. And start.
Alrighty. Okay.
That's a tree. Right.
Does that count?
Yeah.
What the heck?
All right, everybody, heads down, fists in. I am going to pick the sheriff. I'm going to pick the sheriff. If I've touched your hand, you are the sheriff. All right, I'm going to pick the terrorists. If I touch your hand, you are going to be a terrorist. If I touch your hand, you are a terrorist. All right. All right.
Are you all right? Yeah, you
No, I am not all right. All right, terrorists. Heads up, look in. Rabbit move so the terrorists can see all of each other. All right. Heads down, fists up, and start.
I don't have a grenade this time.
Probably a good thing.
Do it already.
Liam, I'm a civilian.
Are you though?
Yes, I'm a civilian.
Am I?
I don't know, are you?
I don't know, am I?
I'm gonna trust you on this?
Are you gonna trust me?
Yes.
Are you?
Yes.
Okay.
God, the stress of that little situation right there.
Are you? Are
Like,
you?
Like, yeah, I'm gonna trust you, but if you keep pointing, maybe not.
It's down, alright? This motherfucker's already got my number. He knows exactly where to shoot me, so it's cool. I'm a little concerned because last time a grenade went off immediately, and this is really fun. Oh, you were the terrorist.
That's one of those smokes.
I don't like this. I'm exposed.
Yeah. I see you drawing that pistol.
About these two grouped up behind. I got no problem with you.
Are you a civilian?
Yeah.
Okay, I am too.
What was that? That's very useful, thank you. You've just explained the terrorists either talk a lot or none at all. Yeah, do we know who?
They were shooting at some people up there. In the tower. Bye, guy.
Are you backing me into a corner there?
I'm not. These guys are being... Bang, bang! Hit!
Bye.
Bye!
Hit!
It's a tug of war, battling to keep my sanity.